Hey everyone, welcome back to Interactive CAD and Tech. Today we're diving into something super exciting, ChatGPT. If you've ever wondered what ChatGPT is, how it works, and how you can use it to make your life easier, then you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get started with ChatGPT and some cool ways to use it. So let's jump right in. So firstly, what is ChatGPT? So ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI. And if you think of it, the best way to describe it is it's something like a super smart assistant that you can chat with. It'll answer questions, help you write content, brainstorm ideas, and so much more. It uses advanced machine learning to understand the text you provide to generate meaningful contextual responses. So, in simple terms, it's like having a conversation with a robot that has read pretty much everything up on the internet up to a certain point. Amazing. And in future, I am going to actually try and show you how to use OpenAI and ChatGPT and CAD combined together in future videos to make a very powerful design tool workflow. Now we've talked about what ChatGPT is, we need to firstly get set up on it. So I've gone to chatgpt.com and this is what comes up. So this is the basic user interface for ChatGPT AI, but my account messages are grayed out and there's some examples there. So firstly, you need to create an account and log in. So if you go up to create an account, you'll be represented with this login window where you could either use your Google, Microsoft, or Apple account, or you can just use your email address and create an account. It takes minutes and it's nice and easy. I'm now just going to cut away and log in with my account. So now I've logged into ChatGPT. This is the user interface I'm greeted with. So you've got a message chat at the bottom. Chat different versions of ChatGPT, depending on what you're using it for. So there's the mini ones faster. Preview uses advanced reasoning, and then ChatGPT 4.0 for more complex tasks. So I've got this available to me because I've got ChatGPT Premium. So if you haven't got Premium, I think it's just either the preview or the mini that you have access to at the minute. So now if you go to your plan, there's your plan if you wanted to pay for premium. You can have separate ChatGPT chats for different purposes, and you can build and create your own ChatGPT section. So, for example, one for work, one for home and personal use. But I've left that blank for now, and you can customize your ChatGPT, and there's the settings. I'm currently on Mac, and you can download a Mac app, and I'm pretty sure there's a Windows app as well. But if I just go back to the user interface, so it's come up with some nice suggestions. Write a note to thank my interviewer. Recipe with what's in my kitchen. So, for example, you could literally tell it what's in your fridge, and it'd create something to cook and a recipe. Um, Write a report based on my data, so you can actually input files and data using the attach files section, and it will analyze that data and create reports from it. But this is for beginners, so let's just start with the simple stuff. So once you're in, the interface is pretty straightforward. You have a text box at the bottom where you can type a message to ChatGPT. It responds in the main window just like you're chatting with a friend, like on text messages, except ChatGPT pretty much knows almost anything, unlike my friends. So now the key tip for getting the best results from ChatGPT is how you frame your prompts. The more specific you are, the better response you'll get. It's, Instead of asking, "Tell me about space," like which I'll put in as an example, and that's coming up with an answer while it's typing that out. So instead of putting in something that's like, "Tell me about space," um, you could say, "Explain to me why black holes are formed," and it's something a bit more specific about space that you want an answer to. Actually, so that it only just finished that. So if I press go again, and it'll actually explain to me why black holes are formed in space. So the less vague you are, the better the tool is, the better the AI tool is. But you can also there's the sky's the limit with what you can use ChatGPT for. For example, just let it finish doing that. Help write a blog post about YouTube channels. Always proofread it. Always make sure because it's not flawless. It will make mistakes, so you still have to put the human element in. Never just copy and paste anything from AI. But even, for example, uh, what to do at a 10-year-old's birthday party to keep them entertained. Oops, spell entertained wrong. So, so it gives you really dynamic answers. Keeping a group of 10-year-olds entertained at a birthday party can be a fun challenge, and it's come up with treasure hunts, escape rooms, craft stations, outdoor games, interactive entertainment. So that's just me off the top of my head, just coming up with giving it random questions, and look at how in depth and great the answers are. So it's great for work, it's great for uni, it's great for college. And then you can also say, if you want a more detailed plan, you can actually put times in themes, and it'll give you a full breakdown and an itinerary. So, like I said, just a quick word of caution. While ChatGPT is incredibly smart, like I said earlier, it's not perfect. Sometimes it might give you information that sounds right but isn't quite accurate. So always double check important facts, and remember it doesn't know everything. So especially anything that's happened since its last update. So depending on when the last update was, it might not know about current events or something that's happened, or any like new situations in the world, because it is limited by the database that it's reading against. If I put in generate me an image, generate an image saying thanks for watching, it even generates the image. And there we go. And that's a wrap on the beginner's guide to ChatGPT. I hope this helps you get started and explore any amazing things you could do with this tool. If you have any questions or need more tips, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe for more awesome content. I will be showing you a lot more detail on how you can use this from a design perspective, whether it's graphic or engineering design. Um, so please subscribe to my channel to support, and I will be posting more videos shortly. But like ChatGPT is very nicely said there, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.